So hello friends and back to my channel. It is PR Vlogs. So in this video I got my first brand new phone after my 10th standard SSLC exam. So in this video I'm going to unbox this and let's see what content and what all includes. And here we have some specifications. We have 48 megapixel camera, and we are having Snapdragon 678 and battery with 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. And here they're saying Snapdragon 678 this phone includes, and here they gave some units. I just think you guys can able to see. Yeah, it's so small. So this includes mobile phone, one adapter, one USB Type-C cable, SIM inject tool, user guide, warranty card, and a soft case. Soft case is nothing but a phone cover. Now let's open this. And this is from mi.com, made in India. So friends, here is a brand new Redmi phone. I'm so happy to see this phone. Oh. And this phone is so thin. Oh my god, really? Okay, now let's see what all we got inside. So in this, I don't know what we will get. Need to open. Yeah, here. So here where I get user manual, I think some paperwork here. User manual, a transparent cover, that is cover case. Free we got. We'll keep this aside. And here we got a SIM inject tool. That we can do later. And here is our fast charging cable, 33 watts with I think it is what charging cable? Yeah, it is C charging cable. It's C. Yeah, I think it's a C cable. Yeah. So let's keep all this aside and let's on our brand new phone, Redmi. Guys, I didn't say you the phone size. This will come with 6.43 with AMO LED dot display. First let me cover my phone. Yeah, here is my new phone, Redmi. Let me power on, and here we can see Redmi. After powering on, I will show you. And here MIUI, and here we got Redmi MUI 12 years alone. And here we should choose a language. Yeah. And which region you are in. I'm in India. Setting a region. And now we got a Wi-Fi password here. I'll just enter. I entered here, connected, and getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. After a few minutes I'll catch you. Yeah friends, so here it's asking a copy data. Yeah, I want to copy my data, and a backup from an Android phone. Use your old phone to copy data wisely. Yeah. So it's asking open Google app on your old device. Next, set up my device in a search box. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, so next, find this name. Yep, verify first, find this old device. After verifying, I'll just be back. So I did not copy because I was having some issue with it. So guys, I did not copy because I was having some issue with copying data. So I'll just sign in with my Gmail here. Yeah, I've signed in into my account and getting your account info. It's showing. Yeah. Accept. Continue. Keep going to get a full setup. Continue. Yeah. Just a second. Set up Hey Google with voice match. Okay, I agree. Hey Google is ready. Set up a few more things. Yeah. 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 So okay. Finish for now. And sign up. Skip fingerprint or screen lock is asking. You have to add a fingerprint. You are done. Fingerprint one done. Yahoo! Finally setup is completed. Loading apps. So friends, now let's talk about the storage of my Redmi Note 10, and we are having two expandable storage. One is 64GB/4GB one phone. It's for 14,500, and another phone 128GB/6GB, that is for 15,399. So in offer I got in mi.com for 15,500. So this original price will come for 14,399. And this is 13,500, and if you apply a bank account like SBI, HDFC bank accounts, you'll get 5% instant discount also. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I'll just play. Now we'll talk about the sound quality. And here we are having here one speaker and down. Here one speaker. So friends, finally bye bye to this phone, and I'm back with another phone. So enjoy some videos and I'll do some video in my phone. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next vlog on my channel. So friends, flower bird is pro shot and tree is portrait back shot, and this OnePlus with 48 megapixel shot, and this is front selfie shot, and this is back normal camera shot only, and this is front portrait shot. So friends, I'm talking from Redmi Note 10 video recording. Hello guys, check, the video is good, the quality is also good.